Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
Can
afternoon,
you
ma'am.
hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when we'll get the timetable?
Timetable, it will be given. This week it will be given. Timetable.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
We must, yes.
ma'am, I have some connection problem, so I cannot on my camera.
Okay, Gopi. Listen carefully. Hmm? Okay, did we complete our probability?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so new chapter. We are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is Introduction of Graphs, chapter 15. Introduction to Graphs. Chapter 15, Introduction to Graphs.
New chapter
New chapter.
on
In chapter 15, Introduction to Graphs. Graph paper is needed.
Ma'am, we need to take our graph book.
Graph book also.
Can you give some time?
Hmm? Introduction to Graphs. Chapter 15, Introduction to Graphs. Shall we begin? Ready, all of you?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
See, in this chapter, we are again that bar graph, double bar graph, histogram, and pie chart is coming. So we are not discussing those topics here because we have just covered in data handling bar graph, double bar graph, histogram, and pie chart. Okay. So for bar graph, you know what is a bar graph. See, here you can see a bar graph which shows the marks in mathematics of first, second, and third term. Okay. Next one is double bar graph. You can see double bar graph, the sales of some fruits, mango, apple, orange, papaya, during the days Monday and Wednesday. You know what is a double bar graph. You also knows how to draw double bar graph also. And here you can see a pie chart shows the percentage of viewers watching different TV programs. Okay, that also you know how to draw. And
Ma'am,
here, yes,
ma'am, can I ask a doubt?
yes, sure.
Ma'am, for MCQ that from the chapter data handling,
Data
how the...
handling, I will put simple questions because graphs I cannot do. No.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
I put a probability will come.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
they will ask some simple questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is a histogram shows weight in kg, weight and number of persons. So here you can see a histogram, a continuous bar graph. Okay, so these are things we have already done in the previous classes. Okay, next we are going to study about a line graph. So you give the heading line graph. Line graph. Okay, you do one thing. All of you have your textbook with you, no? How many of you don't have NCERT textbook? How many of you don't have? Those who don't have, say. Those who don't have.
Hello, ma'am.
Michelle, you don't have
Ma'am, I
NCERT
don't
book?
have.
Ma'am, I have.
Only Shankari? Only Shankari?
Yes, Adnan did not do. Adnan.
Adnan. Okay, okay. Those who have your NCERT textbook, you can take it now. Take your NCERT textbook, take this chapter, page 231. Because no need to write these questions in your notebook. You can write, mark the answers in your textbook itself. So take the textbook, page 231, Introduction to Graphs. Okay. Others, those who don't have, listen to the board. Heading is a line graph, and you can underline this sentence. A line graph displays data that changes continuously over periods of time. Line graph shows the data which changes continuously over periods of time. A line graph displays data that changes continuously over periods of time.
And should we write that?
If you don't have textbook with you, you can write.
Ma'am,
Others,
I have the
just
textbook.
then mark, underline that sentence on your textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See children, after that here you can see a table. This table shows, you can read, when Renu fell sick, her daughter maintained a record of her body temperature taken every 4 hours. After every 4 hours, the doctor took the body temperature of Renu because she has severe fever. The doctor records her temperature after every 4 hours, and it was noted down. See, time 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. The temperature, 6 a.m. temperature is 37, 10 a.m. the temperature is 40, and 2 p.m. temperature is 38, and 6 p.m. it is 35. Okay, now we are plotting these points on a graph. Okay, so you can see the graph. Here you can see the graph. The first point is 6. At 6 o'clock, what is the temperature?
37.
37. See, so at 6 o'clock, 37 is the temperature. So at 6 o'clock, 37 will come here. See, this is the point 37. 37 degrees Celsius. So at 6 o'clock, it is 37. And at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m.,
40.
40. 10 a.m., it is 40. So this is 40. 2 p.m., 38. 6 p.m., 35. On x-axis, we took the time. 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m. And y-axis, we took temperature. So this graph is a time temperature graph. Time temperature graph. It shows time on x-axis and temperature on y-axis. And when we join these points, we will get a graph like this. 2 lines joined. Using your pen and pencil, you can join. This shows time temperature graph. Okay. And this is a line graph also. Why lines? Why? Because these are lines. In the previous case, we have studied bars, where we are drawing bars. Here we are using line. So this is called a line graph. This is called a line graph. Okay. Now, all of you look at this example 1. A graph on performance. Okay, who will read? Abhinav, read this example 1. Abhinav, read it.
I think his network issues.
Hmm?
And speed is stuck.
Okay, Prarthana,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
The given graph represents the total runs scored by two batsmen, A and B, During each of the 10 different matches in the year 2007, study the graph and answer the following questions.
Okay. See, here you can see the graph. This is the graph which shows the runs scored by, this is the graph which shows the runs scored by two batsmen, batsman A and batsman B. First, you can see batsman's A's graph. Batsman's A's graph here on the top of the graph, it was given the dotted line represent batsman A. Dotted line represents batsman A. So this is the line. Dotted line. These dotted lines represent batsman A. So this is batsman A's graph. Okay. And batsman B's graph also we are plotting on the same graph paper. Batsman B's is continuous line. So this another color I will use. So this is batsman B's graph. Okay, so batsman A's and batsman B's graph we are plotting on the same graph paper. Instead of using different colors, they are using different methods like dotted line for batsman A and continuous line for batsman
Batsman
B.
B.
Now we have some questions. What is the first question? First question is, Prarthana,
Ma'am, what information is given on the two axes?
what is the information given on the two axes?
Ma'am, total
Ma'am,
X
total
axis, number of matches.
matches,
Y axis,
runs scored.
runs scored. Runs scored. Okay. Next one, Alina, read the next question. Alina,
Which line shows the running score by a batsman A?
which line shows the runs scored by batsman A?
Ma'am,
Batsman-
dotted
Ma'am, the
line.
dotted line.
Dotted line shows. If you have your textbook with you, you can write the answers there. Okay, this okay. It's an example question, so answers are already there. Okay. Now, third one, Shivanya.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
were the runs scored by them same in any match in 2007? If so, in which
In
match?
in which did they score same score in any of the matches?
No.
No, ma'am.
Look
Yes.
at the picture
Yes, ma'am. 60.
where
B.
it is. Which match? During which match they scored same score?
Ma'am, B.
Eh? B.
2007. B.
2000, which match? 2007.
Ma'am,
what's
2007.
the question?
B.
During
Batman B.
which match did they scored same score in any of the matches? That is the question.
Ma'am, B. B.
B.
Yes, ma'am.
What
60.
B? 60 in
Ma'am,
which match?
60.
In
Ma'am,
which match
third
it is?
match.
Ma'am, third.
Is it third match?
No, second match.
Ma'am, the second match. Second match.
Second match.
No, ma'am, first
Fourth match.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first
fourth
match.
match.
It is on fourth match here. It is on fourth match. Both will comes here. Both graphs. Second match, B scored 40 and A scored 115. Okay. Okay, Michelle. Not second one. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
During the fourth match, you can see this fourth match, both having, both lines are meeting here, 60. The score is 60. On fourth match, both scored a runs 60 runs. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Thomas Chaco, read the next question. Is it overall? No, one more question.
No, ma'am.
Thomas Chaco. The fourth question, this is fourth one.
Ma'am, among the two batsmen, who is steadier? How do you judge it?
Among the 10 matches, here we have 10 matches, and among these two matches, who is steady on his performance? Who is steady, or who? Why?
Ma'am,
can we
Batman
say?
A. Batman
Batman
A.
A.
Batman
I
A
scored
is
more.
steady. Why? Why you can say Batman A's performance is steady?
Ma'am, he has taken the runs.
Ma'am, B.
Okay, Shivanya told B, Midun told A.
Ma'am,
What about
A.
Anlia? Who's more
Ma'am, it is
steady?
A, ma'am, because he scored
Yes,
120
ma'am.
runs.
121. Shankari also
Ma'am, A.
A. Shankari,
A.
Michelle also saying A.
But
Anybody
the
else?
answer is B.
Any other answer, Prarthana?
Ma'am, batsman A, I think so.
Okay, and Alna, who's more steady in his performance?
Ma'am, A.
A. Dion, who's steady in his performance?
Ma'am, A.
A. Devika. Devika.
A.
A. Krishnaveni.
Ma'am, I think it's B. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dion said it's B. Dion and Shivanya. Oh God, Shivanya got a company. Shivanya, Dion is with you. Then Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni. Who is steady? Batsman A and batsman B. Krishnaveni. Huh? Say
Ma'am, A.
A. Shasa.
Ma'am, I also think B.
Who's
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
think it is
I
B,
am
ma'am.
also having some doubt.
B, ma'am, because he doesn't go down.
Ma'am, B has
He's just on the
maintained a
same.
medium
Ma'am,
level. A
maintains.
has gone more up and down.
Okay, good. See, batsman A scored a 115. But see, in the next match, what does he scored?
Yes, ma'am, he scored only 0
And
runs.
duck. Here, duck. Ninth. Here also duck. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So he is not at all steady. His performance is varying to the deep and to the top. Okay, so his performance is not steady. The performance of you can see performance of batsman B. His least is 45. See, no 40. His least is 45, and maximum is 100. So between 50 and leave that 40, between 40 and 100, at least 40 he will score. But see, many downs are there for as performance. Understood? So
Yes, ma'am.
the performance of B is more, yes, performance of B is more steady. B is more steadier than A. Okay, you can read that answer also. Okay, Shivanya, you read because you said first B is the steadier one. Yes, Shivanya, read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the answer.
Batsman A has one great peak but many deep valleys. He does not appear to be consistent. B, on the other hand, has never scored below a total of 40 runs, even though his highest score is only 100 in comparison to 115 of A. Also, A has scored a 0 in 2 matches, and in a total of 5 matches, he has scored less than 40 runs. Since A has lots of ups and downs, B is more consistent and reliable batsman.
Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood that? Okay, good. Very good. Now we will move to the second example. All of you go through the second example.
We no need to draw anything this one.
You can write the answers in the note itself because answers are already there. So just observe and
Okay, ma'am.
understand. Okay, that is enough.
It went.
1 second, 1 second. Okay. Alan Joy, read the question. Example 2. Alan. Alan, can you hear me, Alan? Alan? Steve?
Can I read?
Steve? Okay, Michelle. Okay, you
Ma'am,
not
not
Michelle, Mithun.
Michelle.
Okay, Mithun. Read
Ma'am,
it.
given graph describe the distance of a car from a city P at different times. When it travels from city P to city Q, which are 350 kilometer apart. Study the graph and answer the following.
Okay,
What
so wait. We have a car is starting from a city P to a city Q. Okay, and what is the distance between these two cities?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
350 kilometers.
350 kilometer. Okay, now we will, okay, all of you observe this graph. A king is there because the time starts 0 to 8. We are not showing. Only after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are there. And distance continuously 0, 50, 100. Okay, so it is time distance graph. This is time distance graph. This is a time distance graph. Okay. Now, okay, read first question. Mithun, read the first one.
What information is given on the two axes?
Mm.
Ma'am, in x-axis time and in y-axis distance from
Okay.
P.
Okay. Evelyn, second question. Evelyn. Tia, second question. Tia. Read the second question.
From where and then did the car begin its journey?
From where it begins, Tia? From where the car starts? From where it starts, and from where it's going. Yeah. It starts from where? Read the question given. From where it starts? Tia? The given graph describes the distance of a car from city P at different times. It is traveling from city P to city Q. So from where it starts? That's the time. My question is from where it starts? From where it starts? And where does it going? Going to where, Tia? The car.
City P.
City P. It starts from city P. And where to where it's going? City? City? City Q. It's starting from city P and it's going to city Q. Okay. Next question. Gopi Krishna. Read the next one. Where and when also. Tia, the question where and when. When it starts at 8 a.m. Okay. Gopi Krishna, next one. Gopi. Third question. Gopi has some problem, I think. Devika. Third one. Devika. Steve. Third one. Okay. All are having network issue. Anybody read the third one? Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I read?
Krishnaveni.
How far did the car go in the first hour?
During the in the first hour. How far did the car go in the first hour? First hour means from 8 to 9.
50 kilometers.
50 kilometers.
50
From
kilometers.
8 to 9, it moves 50 kilometers. Okay. Now, who will read? Anlia, read the next one. This is 50 kilometers. Anlia.
How far did the car go during
the second hour.
Second hour. Wait. During the second hour, how far it goes?
Ma'am,
Second hour
150.
means 9 to
150.
10. This
150.
Ma'am, 150.
uh, mm, mm. During the second hour, how far it goes? During the not from the beginning. During the second hour, the
Ma'am,
graph is
100 kilometers.
100.
okay. It is 150 minus 50. So 100 kilometers, not 150 kilometer. During the second hour, because it starts from 50, no? 50 to 150. So it's going 100 kilometers during the second hour. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
During the third hour,
150.
Ma'am, 50.
third hour,
150,
150.
150 to
200.
200. So how much it's
Ma'am,
going?
50.
Ma'am,
50, only
50.
50 kilometers, only 50 kilometers. Third hour it is 50 kilometers. Here it is 100 kilometers. Understood all of you how to calculate?
Yes,
Jeevan,
ma'am.
you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Jeevan? Okay, Jeevan, read the next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Okay, read the next question, Jeevan.
Ma'am, what's the speed say during the first 3 hours?
Hmm.
How do you know it?
Is it same speed? First 3 hours? Jeevan?
No,
Did, huh? Is it the car
no,
going in the same speed? First hour it traveled 50 kilometer. Second hour it traveled 100 kilometer.
second it traveled 150.
Third hour it traveled 50 kilometers. So did it travel with the same speed in these 3 hours?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 50, 50,
50,
50.
50.
First
Ma'am,
hours,
50 is the
Ma'am.
distance
first hour it
It does
traveled
not show the
50
time.
kilometer.
Ma'am, second
Next
hour
hour
also.
it traveled 100
100.
kilometers. Next hour it traveled 50
50.
kilometer. My question, whether the car is going in same speed in these 3
No,
hours?
ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
No,
here it
ma'am.
is
No.
100. No, how it comes
No.
same, Mithun?
I
It is
didn't
different.
say, Michelle.
I didn't.
Michelle, it is not same because here it goes 50 kilometer. Here it goes 100 kilometer. Here 50 kilometer. So the car goes in a different speed. First and third, okay. During 8 to 9 time period and 10 to 11 o'clock, its speed is same because it passes 50 kilometers during that time. Okay, understood? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Shankari, read the next question. Shankari.
Ma'am, fifth question.
Fifth not, sixth one.
Okay. Did the car stop from some during at any place? Justify your answer.
Did the car stop anywhere during its time period from 8 to 3 p.m.?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. At
Yes,
1
ma'am.
o'clock.
At 1 o'clock and all it stopped.
Not in 1 o'clock.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
12
o'clock.
12.
12 o'clock.
12.
Ma'am,
Sorry,
between
12
11
o'clock.
to
11
12.
to 12. This
12
time,
and
11 to
this 1
12.
hour, they took rest. This 1 hour, they took rest.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Okay, children. So during this time, that is 10 a.m. to 12 noon, the distance traveled covered by the car is, it doesn't,
Ma'am, not a name, no, 11.
11 a.m. 11 a.m. 11 a.m. to 12 noon. The car is at rest. It doesn't travel anywhere because the distance shows the same, 200. Okay. So during that time, the car stops. Hmm? Now, when did the car reach at city Q?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in
at 2
3
2
p.m.
p.m. 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
It reached the city Q. Okay. So now, see, 15.1, this one is homework question.
Ma'am, first question.
First question is homework.
Ma'am,
Just
we have
like,
to draw that.
We have
no, just answer. You can write the answer in the textbook itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the answers in the textbook. And third one also you can do as homework.
And those who
Like
did
our
not have the
class.
text, can you send these pictures
I
in
will
the
send.
WhatsApp?
Only Mithun need
Ma'am, it's all questions.
1 and 3.
Ma'am, can you show first question then?
First question. Only Midun need the questions. I will send.
And no, ma'am, some are there.
Who?
Adinan did not have the book. Adinan.
I will put on the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Should we write this notes?
No. You can write in your text itself. This is the question number 1.
Okay.
Question number 3, homework. Question number 2, we will do now. Okay? All of you read this
Okay, ma'am.
second
Ma'am,
question.
can you zoom it?
It was Zoom.
Ma'am, the following, that one.
Because what is the first question? What are the sales in
What were the sales in
the
2002 and
2002? What was the sales on 2002?
Ma'am, 4 crores.
4 crores. 4 crores. In 2006?
7.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 8
8
crores.
8 crores.
Crores, ma'am.
8 crores. 8 crores. 2003?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 7 crores.
7 crores.
7 crores.
7 crores. 2005?
Ma'am, 10
Ma'am,
crores.
10 crores.
Compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. Compute and
Ma'am,
say.
2002,
In
4 crores.
2002, it was 4
2002
crores.
is 4.
And in
Ma'am,
6, it was
6,
8 crores.
8 crores.
So 8 minus 4?
Ma'am, 4
Ma'am,
crores.
4
4
crores.
crores.
4
The difference
crores.
is 4 crores.
4 crores.
In which year was the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year?
Ma'am,
2005.
2005. 2004 it is 6, but it is increased to 10
10.
at 2005. So, okay, understood all of you how to answer
Yes,
these
yes.
questions from the
Yes,
graph?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes,